12:47 a.m. I'm leaving for Brazil today, and I've officially just started packing. That right there is procrastination at its finest. Almost done packing. It's 1:15 in the morning. I would finish packing right now, but I'm extremely tired and I gotta be up early. So I'm gonna wake up even earlier so I can finish packing and then get my day started. So let's cut to me awake.
Due to heavy call volume, you may experience an extended wait time. We apologize for
Heavy
the
call volume
inconvenience and appreciate your
on a
patience.
Tuesday, what
Please
is it
continue
today?
to hold for the next
Tuesday
available agent.
at 9 a.m. It's kind of a weird time to call the bank. I'm on the phone with my bank right now, but my Instagram just hit 10,000 followers. I'm low-key freaking out. If you don't follow me, go follow me at Steele_Johnson, because you'll see a lot of photos like this. Okay, just got off the phone with my bank, good to go, set up for the trip to Brazil. Just hit 10,000 followers on Instagram, and now I need to finish this coffee before I go to the pool, get a quick workout in, and then go to the weight room, get a quick lift in, and then I gotta go to the airport.
Hey guys, it's about 11:10 and I just finished with practice today and I'm heading to Brazil and I'm super excited.
Oh man, I'm so ready to be on the beach. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to scrape my car. Hi puppy, you wanna go outside? I'll go outside. There you go. Okay guys, I am now at the airport. Shout out to my dad for driving me to the airport.
That's me, Daddy.
That's him right there. On my way to Brazil. Got a flight to Miami in about 2 hours, so got to get here early, got to get through security. What are you going to do with the rest of your day?
I'm going to drive back home and do some work and then wait patiently for the results of the New Hampshire primary.
Adult things. I'm going to just sit on a plane and read books and whatnot. But you guys will see that. Are you excited to go to Brazil? That was really dramatic. Okay, how was your flight, Mikey?
Great.
It was great. So we have like 10 minutes to get to our next flight, which is on the other side of this outdoor airport. And Kelsey's wearing a boot.
All day!
Thank you.
Some of the guys want to get for the
Look, it's David.